Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with some good news to tell you about in our forecast here for the next week plus, as we are looking at a good chance for some rain and possibly quite a bit of it. And we're also looking at a little bit of a cool down in the coming days, but we have to get through today and tomorrow first. You can see as of 1 o'clock this afternoon, early this afternoon, temperatures already flirting with 100 in both Texarkana and Shreveport, and we'll probably end up close to 100 at both locations. The rest of the Arklatex will settle into the mid to upper 90s. What we're watching as far as the weather pattern, that same upper level ridge centered over the lower Ohio Valley, one upper level disturbance here, another one here. We're going to see this ridge break down somewhat, and eventually a little bit of a weakness here in the Gulf of Mexico is going to kind of settle into eastern Texas as we move into the end of this week and this weekend and the beginning of next week, and that's going to bring us an excellent chance of picking up some needed rain. Here's a look at Robin's Toyota Futurecast for tonight. We will see a partly cloudy sky across the area. Tomorrow, most of the Arklatex will stay dry, but we will see the possibility for that stray afternoon shower. Futurecast kind of pointing towards east and northeast Texas is where the coverage tomorrow could be at its greatest. Going through tomorrow night, we'll see any rain end as we'll see a partly to mostly cloudy sky. And on Thursday, the coverage of the scattered showers and thunderstorms will increase across the region. This activity will gradually wind down as we go through Thursday evening, ending Thursday night, and then we'll do it all over again with another pretty good shot for some scattered showers and thunderstorms again on Friday. As far as how this will play out in the next 10 days, you can see the upper level ridge. Watch how the reds and oranges become lighter. That's telling you that the upper level temperatures are going to be lowering, meaning that we will see with this weakness in place here the excellent chance pretty much each and every day of seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the Arklatex, and this good chance of rain could last through the middle part of next week, and we could see another round of rain try to develop across the region late next week. Big question is, how much rain might we see? Well, let's just first of all touch on the next couple of days. Here's the 2-day outlook from Futurecast, and notice most locations not a whole lot given the scattered nature of the rain, but also notice these areas of green, kind of scattered. That's where the model is showing an inch of rain plus will be possible just through Thursday. So again, the potential of getting quite a bit of rain is going to be there. Let's take a look at the longer range models. First of all, the blend of models, which goes out 10 days. I think this is a reasonable expectation as to what you might get in your neighborhood from now through next Friday. Notice pretty close to an inch over most of the area, but as you move into the southern parts of the Arklatex, we could see rainfall totals in the range of 2.5 to over 3 inches here in the next week and a half. I look at the various models that make up the blend, and you can see there's not a whole lot of agreement. Pretty good swings from place to place. Notice one model does have possibly 3 inches in Shreveport. So again, it kind of goes back to expect around an inch. Most areas, couple of inches further to the south down towards Natchitoches, Manny, and maybe Center. But again, some beneficial rainfall on the way for the Arklatex here during the next week to 10 days. So that being said, your forecast for tonight is looking partly cloudy and warm. We'll see temperatures mainly in the low to middle 70s, 74 in Texarkana tonight, 77 degrees in Shreveport, 74 degrees in Natchitoches. Tomorrow, again, partly cloudy. We stay hot. Again, a stray shower or thunderstorm will be possible. Rainfall chances looking relatively low. You can see the 98 for the high tomorrow in Shreveport, 96 in Texarkana, 97 in Natchitoches, and 98 degrees also for the high temperature in Marshall. 10-day forecast shows the excellent chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms from basically Thursday, decreasing a bit during the middle part of next week. But notice the temperatures, highs eventually settling into the mid to upper 80s. Lows will fall into the lower 70s. And again, we could see another round of rain try to develop across the region late next week. And in case you're wondering, severe weather can't totally be ruled out with a few thunderstorms around the area, but no widespread issues are expected at this time. So again, good news, a little bit cooler temperatures on the way, and some much needed rain as we go through the end of this week and much of next week.